everyone. So this is just a quick short video to explain what should be the expectations from any algo strategy. Now, this is one such example of a strategy by Vishal Mehta. But almost all the algo strategies have similar kind of performance. On a weekly basis, when you see, the strategy has given back-to-back losses for several weeks. However, the recovery has been pretty quick. Just in a matter of 2 days, it had recovered 6 weekly losses. Likewise, here again, if you see, these 4 losses got recovered in a single week. Look at here. So several back-to-back losses got recovered in a matter of few weeks. And so here, in a matter of just 3 weeks, all the losses got recovered. So you need to understand that any algo strategy, you have to go through this kind of pain which is called as a drawdown. The problem what a lot of people do is they surrender the strategy once it gives series of losses, and after they surrender, the strategy yields profit. Then they regret why did they stop it. So give the algo strategy some time and always judge any strategy from a broader time perspective. Now look at the same strategy performance on monthly basis. On weekly, you will find that 50% of the week were losses. But when you look at monthly, you will find more greenery here. When I go for more broader time frame, that is quarterly, there are hardly 4 quarterly losses that a strategy has given in the last 6 years. And then on a yearly basis, not even for a single year the strategy has given a loss. So the 2021 year is not yet done. But this strategy has almost doubled the money every year on year. But when you look at from a short time perspective, it may look like a strategy which is not that good. So any algo strategy, please give some time and never make the mistake of surrendering the strategy during the periods of drawdown. Thank you so much.